Precision EV concept is essentially the embodiment of the Acura design language for the electrified future. This vehicle, absolutely, I gotta say it's stunning. I was floored when I saw the original design, and then seeing it make its way to physical form, absolutely stunning. Alluring lines, great contrast, a very emotional experience, I think, when you look at this vehicle. And again, art in motion is the way I describe it, just absolutely gorgeous.
So in the era of electrification, we took the performance blue and we advanced the texture to be more liquid and more fluid. Additionally, we still maintain that alluring contrast, the contrast between the shadow, and it's a bright, high definition flash. So it's a very premium and advanced color.
You know, this is our roadmap of how to style in the studio, you know, judge to this. You walk in and you see this and go, dude, we're good. So I think this is a representation of what Acura will be moving forward. There'll be details that are different. The overall feeling from it should always resonate as the electrification of Acura.
We created the Precision EV concept to really push the boundaries of the Acura exterior design language as we move forward towards electrification, and elements of this design will definitely be realized in multiple Acura products moving forward, but first will be seen on the 2024 EV.
I'm really excited about the future of electrification and what it means for our company as a whole. For Acura, we talked about an accelerated plan towards the close of this decade. And what that really means is not only some collaboration of product, but also distinctive Acura branded product into the future. Right? So really building into something we can really be proud of as we get into this electrified future. Cars and trucks that customers are going to aspire to. We're going to have a lot of fun moving into this future.